Okay, here's how you do a Google Meet. Up in the address bar, meet.google.com. This will bring you to this page where you click Join or Start Meeting. You can call your meeting anything you'd like. This is a preview screen, so nobody can join you at this stage. You can click Present and see the screen that you'd like to present to everybody. You can turn off your camera, mute your microphone, and turn both back on again. But from here, you normally just click Join Now. And you can copy your joining information by clicking this button here and pasting that to anybody whose contact details you have, or you can add people directly by clicking there. You can enter their name or email address and they will receive an invitation, or you can enter their phone number here and they will also receive an invitation directly to their phone. Other options, you can also turn on subtitles, present your screen, and record your meeting as well, which is quite useful. If somebody is missing your meeting, you can then share the recording with them afterwards and they will not miss anything. So I'll just show you how to present your screen. Click Present Now, your entire screen. You click once anywhere on this picture and then click Share. You have to wait a few moments and eventually, there you go. Once you see this, you are presenting to everyone. They can see everything on your screen, unless you click Window, in which case they'll only see the window. So from here, you could present a slides presentation, a PDF, a worksheet, anything that you want with the children or with the people in your video call. The only other thing I'm going to show you to do is how to end the call, which is very, very simple. You click this button here.